The Dragon Tea Party. 100 years ago lived 6 dragons. Their names were Mitara, Gretch, Bob, Jack, Isabel and Sienna. The boys decided to play tips, but the girls wanted to play tea party, and they all argued. Then all was quiet and the ground began to crumble. The clouds started to come. Then out rose the angel of argument. Out of the cannon, it said, "Don't you dare argue." So if they did, so they didn't, and they played tea party tips, and they all played happily ever after. The end.